Okay. Let's go. Okay. I already did this. And then I opened here already. But I haven't done jack shit else. Woo! Treat you right. Let's go. Let me just put this down. I'm struggling. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Okay, there we have it, boys. Power cable. Treat you right. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get it to focus. Go.
I know this sounds strange, but
Okay. So this pretty dope controller doesn't seem like anything special. You can press this PlayStation button. Oh! PlayStation button where you put it on. Bumpers feel nice. I like these buttons. I like these buttons a lot. It's like, as you can see, it's like almost like a glass. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay. See what else we got. Okay, here we got charger cable, C-type, normal C-type. Okay. Obviously have the manual. What do we have here? What's this? What is this? Okay. So this is a stand, I think. No idea. I assume this is a stand. I assume it's a stand. It'll make sense if it's a stand. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Ooh. Decent HDMI cable. Feels good material. Feels good material. Okay, and that's it for that. Now let's get into this bad boy. Ooh, okay, I need 2 hands for this. Woo! There we go, boys. Boys and girls. Let's go. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy as shit. Fuck, it's heavy. Station. Sleep till noon. There we go. Yeah, I've got the disc edition because this is the only one in stock. Beggars can't be choosers, right? There we go. On button. Eject button. Okay. Disc. Okay. Woo. It's really heavy, guys. It's really heavy. It's super heavy. It's pretty huge. This is what the back looks like. Okay. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Shot for watching. New PlayStation 5. Super stoked. Now to get to gaming. Boom.